Hi, Tom Hughes here, and here's a compilation video from different Gembadox customers about how they're using kanban cards for material control. In particular, how they're physically attaching them and locating them within the stock for optimum use. I think you'll find it useful, and a big thanks to everyone who contributed the videos. Much appreciated. Gembadox customers are the best. Have a great day.
Hey, here's some of the way we're holding kanban cards on this type of a rack where you just have a grommet through them to hold them on. In this type of a setting, we're using a bookshelf holder. Here's what we're doing on our boxes. It's a similar kind of book holder thing. We just put it on its end. Same with up there. Hey, here's another way that we hold kanban cards on. We have this little grommet and then a piece of elastic. Hopefully that helps you out. Those are the three main ways we've found so far.
We use many different ways to hold kanban cards to the product. One of our favorite ways is to use blue painter's tape. Here you see I pulled these products out and I got a kanban card taped to the safety stock. Here I put a piece of blue tape and kanban card right on the top of the box. Open up the box, got to see the kanban card. And here with our garbage bags, just some blue tape and a kanban card. Out here where we stock some semi-finished good steel that's heat treated, you have kanban cards cut into foam, you pull out the piece of steel, you pull on out the kanban card, you start processing a new one. And here, another way, we use a Ziploc bag, put the product in there, put the kanban card in there, or in this case, this product comes in this bag, put a little slit in it, stick the card in there, put a piece of tape, good to go. Thanks for watching, everyone.
I'll show you something different. So this is how we have our kanban. So we've 3D printed bins. So we have a blue and a red bin, and because we 3D printed them, we actually made a slot for our kanban cards to go into. So that's one way we do our kanban. The other way we do is we put one of these packing slip enclosed, and we slide the kanban card in there so that you've got to pull that out to get into the box. So that's what we do there, and then everyone else has done the old plastic bag and rubber band tricks. I don't think that's anything new.
Good morning all, just wanted to show you our kanban system. This is our stores for office supplies. So we just have the kanban cards in the bin, and it basically gives a reorder point. So 2 packs, so the card's just placed in the front of the 2-pack. So that's basically how this part works. Yeah. Okay. So when somebody gets to the kanban level, there's an instruction on a door, and I drop it in the kanban box, which used to be here on the wall, but we moved it, so we left a note to where it went to. The reason we did that is the person who actually actions the kanban card goes up these stairs every day, and this was a trigger for her to pick it up. But there's, and once she orders it, she puts it back in with the on order sign. I just wanted to show you how we handle our cleaning supplies, etc. So we have holders here for the toilet paper, paper towels, etc. So basically, these are the trade card, like the identification badge holders. Just zip tie them to the rack. Right, there's our kanban card, right, so when it gets down to 1 box, which is, you can see there's a 1 box on the shelf, it triggers the kanban, and person who looks after ordering it. This card's placed in a holder, as I showed you before, and then they place it on, show it to the on order side once it's on order. So that's what we did. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit gembadocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play stores.